In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link on Google Sheets. Adding links in Google Sheets is a simple way to make your spreadsheets more interactive and useful. You can link to websites, documents, or even other tabs and cells in your sheet, so people viewing your file can quickly jump to more information. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Google Sheet and decide exactly where you want the link to go. Click once on the cell where you want to add the link. You'll see a blue outline around the cell when it's selected. It's a good idea to choose a cell that clearly relates to what you're linking to, like a label or a name, so everything stays organized and easy to understand later. Next, we'll open the Link tool. At the top of your screen, go to the Insert menu, then choose Link. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and K together on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command and K on a Mac. This shortcut is handy if you're adding a lot of links and want to work a bit faster. Once you do that, a dialog box will appear. In this box, you'll see a field labeled Link. Click into that field, then type or paste the URL you want to use. This could be a web page, a shared document, a form, or any other valid link. If you're pasting a link, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, because that can sometimes cause the link not to work properly. Below that, you'll see another field labeled Text. This controls what appears in the cell itself. By default, Google Sheets may use the URL as the text, which can look messy or confusing. To make your sheet cleaner and more readable, you can replace it with something meaningful. For example, instead of a long web address, you might type Project Brief or Sales Dashboard. This doesn't change where the link goes. It only changes what people see in the cell. When you're happy with both the link and the text, go ahead and click Apply. The cell will now show your chosen text, usually underlined and in a different color, indicating that it's clickable. You can test it by clicking on the cell and then clicking the link preview that appears. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully inserted a link into Google Sheets.